Good morning, everyone in studio.
Good morning, good morning.
Hi, Som. Hi, Naked. How are
Good
you?
morning,
Hi,
Peter.
hi.
100%. All is
Great
well.
one.
Oh.
Masina Mshongo, double M squared. Are we ready?
What a weekend, what a weekend.
Was it a good weekend?
Yes, to the gentleman that I took his car, please come and get it.
You took his car.
Yes.
Yes, I saw at the parking lot. I was like, this is not your car, right?
Yes, sir,
It's a
please
nice
come
car.
get your car.
Woo!
Yes.
It's a
I have,
nice
I
ride.
have so many questions.
You can ask
them.
one. Ask
Ask.
one.
Why did you take his car?
We met at the club and he couldn't drive. I was sober, he wasn't. And and I had to Uber him home.
And could you drive it? Did you drive the car real good?
Oh,
Great question.
he's still asking me to drive.
All right, let me take the steering wheel. Can I drive now?
Yes, please.
All right, let's go to Anonymous. Anonymous, give me the car keys because wow. Hi, Anonymous.
Good morning. How are you?
Good on you, my queen.
I'm good, thank you.
Yes.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday to you too. It's so great to have you on the line. Really, really excited to be able to hear the gents advise you and the country. Anonymous, I'm going to give you the house rules. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respect for language. Please refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you will be speaking about. Anonymous, my lady, do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
We are listening. What's happening?
All right. I'm a lady in my late 20s. I need advice. I'm in a relationship with this guy we met about 2 years ago. Yeah, and he's such an amazing guy, I won't lie. And before we started a relationship, we were first friends, and at that time in my life, I was just going through a lot, and he was just there as a friend, supportive, and he was such a good person to have around to talk to and everything. So after a few months, we started dating, we started going out on dates, and he seemed to be a lovely guy, so I agreed to a relationship after he expressed himself on how he felt. So yeah, we started dating, and my problem is that whenever I went to his house, I was never comfortable, and yeah, so I didn't like that because he's staying with his family, So I never went to his house, but everything was okay. The relationship was going well. My only problem is that the guy, his hygiene is so bad. He's not easy. If I tell you, this guy has a mouth problem, so
Has a
it's
what
kinda
problem?
Mouth.
kind of hard to kiss him and be intimate and all that. And the guy, I tried with the mouth washes, mouth refreshments,
But whom?
and it's been so hard. It's something that I can't handle. So we
This,
never kiss.
There are
This,
problems with the mouth this year.
is the hair of the mouth.
Pardon?
Ngithi this year, like
Gucci who?
it's not the cheating, it's not anything else. It is the mouth.
Not only the mouth, also this guy doesn't bite.
Hayi ufunani wena lapho ke?
Okay.
Hayi girl.
This guy, I try, whenever he comes, normally he's the one who's coming to my place, and the guy, I would prepare some water for him to bath first, so that I can be comfortable around him,
Aye, guys.
so that I can,
Guys,
be
hold on.
able to
Anonymous.
get with him.
Anony,
Yes.
tell me what makes you persevere all this nonsensical hoofs and odors. Is he handsome?
He's not bad looking, honestly.
Yo.
I can't say handsome, but he's presentable.
Is he moneyed?
Yes, he is.
There
A
we
lot,
go.
ne?
There we go.
Yeah, I think that's one of the things that makes me stay because he's
Oh,
very money
yeah,
and he's
yeah.
generous. He gives me
He's
money
generous,
and
ne?
he spoils me. So the only issue is that I'm having a problem because every time before anything, before intimacy, you have to ask him to that. Sometimes he doesn't like that because he tells me that I did that before coming here, but especially his feet. Whenever he takes out his shoes,
Is it bad?
it's so bad.
What
Sometimes I would even take a plastic and put the shoes inside the plastic.
What color are his sheets generally? Are they white, where you can see the dirt, black,
He
purple?
usually buys black shoes, that.
And you can
so
still
I
see the
think that's
dirt.
The reason why he doesn't wash them.
So is it just personal hygiene only?
It is better. Even his place. Oh my God! I really have to send you pictures of his
His
place.
place.
His
He's
place.
not clean at all. I'm very allergic to eat dust. I have sinuses, so whenever I'm in his room, I would get sick.
Oh.
So there's so many questions there, Anonymous. Do not go anywhere. We are coming right back, okay? Going to headlines.
Thank you, Anonymous.
In our headlines at 10:30, the Pretoria Magistrates Court has ordered that alleged criminal mastermind Vusmoziket Matlala remain in the Kgosi Mampuru maximum security prison for consultations until the 13th of next month. And a handful of DA supporters are protesting outside the Boksburg Magistrates Court, where suspended EMPD's Deputy Chief Julius Mkhwanazi is expected to appear. Details at 11.
All right, it's just gone 31 minutes after 10 o'clock. We still have Anonymous on the line. Anonymous, you still there?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, perfect. A quick summary now, just for somebody who is joining us right now. So Anonymous has been with her partner for a while now. Basically says that their relationship is great generally, and he's a good partner to her. The problem she has is with him basically lacking good personal hygiene. She says he doesn't take regular baths, everything smells, he doesn't even take care of his living environment, the sheets. She even wants to pack in a black bag and throw away. Anonymous, is there anything else you'd like to add about your relationship in general?
Okay. With this guy, man, he's very good. He's genuine, he's loving and everything. But the problem is now, I don't feel comfortable walking around in public with him, because I don't know if maybe it's because I'm too shy, but it's because of how he is, man. Even the dress code, he doesn't care. He doesn't care about himself, about the way he dresses. I would try sometimes to go out to do shopping with him and, try to make him understand or get a sense of style, So, this guy, I feel like I'm failing. I can't, I've tried, but
Okay.
Please try to
Anonymous.
talk with him in English.
Anonymous. So, now how long?
2 years.
2
2 years
years.
now.
2 years. And you don't have children.
No, I do have a child of my own, and he also does have
And
a child.
has your child met him?
No.
Well done, girl. Woo, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you.
But he smelled him.
What the child? Okay. So, and the positives that he's loving, he's generous. Do you love this guy? Are you in love with this guy? Do you love him or you just using him?
I love him, and I love that he understands my love language. He does everything.
But something doesn't make sense. You met this guy. You went through a period where Begakshela corner, ne? And you still agreed to date him, knowing all these things, knowing his personal hygiene, everything. And it's been 2 years. So what are we missing here? What are we not saying?
Sorry. Can I explain? Before actually agreeing to dating, we only went out, I never went to his place to chill, all those things. So the only thing that we did is outing, meeting. Sometimes he would come to my place, I've never really been to his place before I agreed dating.
Okay. I used to have this female friend, and she used to say to me, whenever you meet a man, there's a couple of things they look at. They look at the hair, the teeth, his timepiece, and his shoes. Right?
Yeah.
And they say you can tell a lot when you meet a man just by looking at those things.
True.
Anonymous, what were you looking at the first couple of times that you were with this guy? Where, yes, we know that you can never fully know a person, but if a person has dirty shoes or dirty socks, come on. If a person uhlala nokuyikhwapha, come on. If a person always has things in his teeth or there's a certain whiff, come on. So when you meet men, what is the first thing you look at?
Okay. Firstly, I look at how he presents himself, how he talks, how he does things. How caring he is, how often he would call me, check on me. All those little things that make me feel like, okay, he thinks of me. In a way.
And how did he present himself?
He presented himself well, actually. For the first few times when I met him, he was okay. I didn't see anything wrong, honestly.
And then,
until.
And then, wena unuka njani wena? How's your personal hygiene? Do you have nice teeth?
I can send you my pictures. Maybe we can tell. But I'm a clean girl. I love myself.
A clean girl.
You're a clean girl.
She loves herself. Yes.
Because you meet as a guy, you meet someone and you're like, "Ay man, I don't even have to bath."
No.
Yeah, you bath a couple of times and you're like, "Ay Maralo, this one is not worth me."
No,
bathing."
let me tell you, Naked.
I'm saying what I'm sure you asked as a guy. I'm telling you.
I get what he's saying. Like basically, like you gauge your level of effort based on the person that you're seeing. Sometimes, not all the time. Let me tell you about guys with money, Naked.
Okay.
Guys
Please,
with money.
We're listening.
Guys with
especially
money.
Especially 12.
Yes.
Okay.
Even that's a good point, Naked. Because maybe in Silayake is the power.
Oh, okay.
And then
His
Anonymous
dirt
wants
is
to
the
disturb.
power.
Yes, his
Okay.
dirt is the power. But guys, most of the guys with money, they honestly don't care.
So they don't bath.
They don't care because they also know now, Gucci, you are here for the money. So they're not going to give you money and still make the effort. Like, natural when a person is a nugu. Yini nugu konje?
He's filthy.
No.
The stinkest.
No. A nugu
It's
it's a untidy person, and hygienic and don't person.
Yeah.
Doesn't take personal hygiene.
Yeah, when they're
serious.
naturally like that.
Okay.
And then they get to have money. They don't care. And also sometimes they use it as a punishment to those girls that like money. Yeah, you're going to eat my money and you're going to eat my ntsila. I don't care.
That's why they sometimes poop on them.
Yes. For real, they don't care. They are...
Yo, Dubai.
I'm telling you, they are so nonchalant because they also know now you're not going to leave.
Yeah, you're not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere.
Yeah.
To a point where even it's so detrimental to themselves where a guy would have a rotten tooth, right? And they know they've got a rotten tooth. Or they have a smelly skontir.
What's that?
Skontir. Like,
In the Mtsensil.
it would be a chubby guy, for instance,
Yes.
with a tar road here.
A tar road?
Yes.
It's contour in the Mtsensil.
Not in the, in the middle. Yes.
Yes.
Like
Yeah.
a landing strip.
Yeah, by the
the
testicles.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
By the seam.
Yes, they would know.
Naked.
Yes, it's the seam. We all have our common.
No, I'm just your
Okay, Anonymous
your
is here,
visuals.
guys. Anonymous is here. Focus.
Yes, sorry.
So do you understand, Anonymous? Sometimes they don't care.
Wealthy men.
Not all of them.
Most,
They are
okay.
clean, wealthy men, guys, who are naturally clean, and with or without money, they would still be clean. You understand? Same these ones, with or without money, they'd still be filthy.
Can
And
we ask which province is from?
No. Anonymous, don't answer that
Don't
question.
answer that question,
Don't
Nick.
answer. Don't.
So,
Okay.
Anonymous, now,
Yes.
to a certain extent, I honestly think, Gucci, you played yourself deliberately or knowing exactly what you're getting yourself into. You also got comfortable with the benefits that you get from him, the generosity and stuff. Because a sane thinking person or a self-loving person would not stomach for such nonsensical, nostrilical
And
issues.
intimacy then?
What about it? You pretend.
Wait, I want to hear Anonymous.
Okay.
Why? What were you saying, Anonymous? You went your?
No, I want to listen to you first, please.
Yes,
Okay,
I'm
so
saying
Mizzy.
intimacy. They one pretends, one enjoys. Do you understand?
In her case, who do you think it is?
The guy is enjoying. She's not enjoying. She's just, there's been a deposit in her account that's gonna go. Oh, if I have to go, I have to do it. You know, or there's been a gift that has been sent or promised. Yeah.
I also have to ask this question. So a friend of mine also said she was with this perfect guy, Anonymous. Everything about this guy was perfect. Everything, the money, the trips, everything. But whenever he would come to her place, like he would leave the bathroom in number 2, as if a bomb went off in there. And this was her thing. It was like, everything about this guy is perfect, but like after he uses my bathroom, after number 2, like she literally, it's like she can die. She knows Uguti now. She has to go in there and
Guys,
like,
guys.
is this?
Guys.
So Anonymous, why did you giggle when I said that?
Because it's so funny. According to me, intimacy has just been about him enjoying. Honestly, I never really enjoyed that much. And, I'm starting to think of which I should just let this guy go. And because I can't really fix him. It's beyond my powers. I tried.
Out of curiosity, Anonymous, how much does like he deposit? Like
Good question.
No, he goes.
That
No,
went off
he
five
goes. He gives me money. I don't even count.
Estimate.
what do you mean? Yeah,
Estimate.
just estimate.
Estimate. Okay, let's say weekly he would give me from 5 to 8K.
Weekly.
That's a lot. That's a lot, Anonymous. And
It's hush money. Yeah.
that's why you are there, Anonymous. You are comfortable. And I've got an option for you, Anonymous. We live in very tough economical situations. You know, just hold your breath. Don't breathe in, just breathe out. I'm telling you, Anonymous, let me tell you, Anonymous. The thing is, you are going to tune him. And after you tune him, he's going to leave you for somebody's going to benefit your work, your hard work. And maybe the reason why you are still together is because no one wants him out there. And it's Anonymous, no one died from inhaling something. No one died.
No.
Look, evaluate Anonymous. Kala sisi. Like no one died, Anonymous. Like hold it in, and you can slow down the visits. And you know when you go to see him, it's a war, but it's a war worth fighting for. You understand? Like
This is very interesting.
don't leave him, Anonymous. And the thing is, you'll see him happier with a girl who prioritized a lot of things, and without changing him. It's a tough one though.
So, Mizi, do you think sometimes some men will give you that money because they know that they lack in certain places?
Ooh,
And
compensating.
they're compensating with
No.
Nyanuga, or I don't know why, or I've got
in his
this,
case,
so
no.
I need to. If I give her this money, I know she's not going
In this
anywhere.
case, no. It's men most of the time overcompensate with things that can be seen.
Ooh.
You know, it's a small wee
It's a small what?
wheelie.
Oh.
Yes, or wee. You know, it's a small wee. They can overcompensate, or they know that they are not on the handsome side. It's
Well, she said he's not really that handsome.
yes. I don't think he's overcompensating for his lack of hygiene. To him, it's normal. he doesn't see anything wrong. You know that people who are okay with sleeping with dishes in the sink, and there are people who are not okay with sleeping with like there are people who are not okay with leaving their houses with the bed unmade or done, and there are people okay. So with him, it's normal. So he's just being a generous guy, or the overcompensation comes from him not being the most handsome or the most six-pack or the most dun-dun.
Is he a scruffy guy? Like, or is he a scruffy guy, or does he like groom?
Groom kanjani
Doesn't
ungana
like
hygiene?
it at all. Normally when we go out, we only go out together, and sometimes I would ask him, no, you can go, but he won't go without me. So he doesn't groove unless I initiate it.
And when you compare this relationship to all the other relationships you've been in, where maybe the guy smells good, but he's got less money, and financially makes you less happy. Like,
Honestly speaking, this is the first encounter. I've never came across any guy that makes me feel like this or smells or anything. So this is my best experience.
Anonymous,
I've never experienced
Anonymous,
anything like
just
that.
hold it for me. I'm coming back. Don't go anywhere. Top Billing is back, and it's more spectacular than ever. Join us as we respond and open the doors to South Africa's most iconic lifestyle show. From breathtaking homes and world-class travels to the people shaping culture and success. This is where it all comes together. Mark your calendar for the all-new season of Top Billing, which premieres on S3 this Thursday, the 30th of April at 7 p.m. That's next week, Thursday. You can also stream it live on SABC Plus, available on all app stores. Top Billing is back on S3. Open up. Anonymous, we're back. Thank you very much for your patience. Naked DJ, Somizi, anything else that we need to know?
Okay. There's something now. Recently, I met this guy, and I'm thinking of leaving this other one because I can't take it anymore. So I need advice on that.
Are you still talking to the same person?
Yes.
You
Why?
it just took a complete turn.
Now
Did
she's
you
on
say
guy
she met
number 2.
another man?
Yeah,
Yes.
guy number 2.
Guy number 2. So
Yeah.
now she's revealing this guy number 2. You see, when anonymous, usile anonymous, usile.
No,
See,
you know
umntana abantu
what's
sekakulukela
going on
manje because
I really feel like I can't take it anymore, and I want to leave this guy because I'm trying and I'm failing.
okay,
to
tell us
love
about this
him
new guy.
now, 'cause eventually,
Tell
I
us
have
about
to
this
be
new
happy,
guy.
and I can't be happy with this guy the way he is.
Tell us about this new guy. What is it about him that you like?
Oh, this guy is just the opposite of.
So he doesn't give you money. He smells good.
Yes.
You like to be
He
in
doesn't
public
give
with
me
him.
money, but he gives me time, attention. We go out, road trips, and
You're paying attention, yes.
but the money, no.
How old are you, anonymous?
It's so easy.
I'm 28.
Oh, okay. I'm dull.
Ah.
I'm dull. You
But now we're two men at the same time. So you're having sex with both of them.
no.
Okay, yes.
Anonymous.
Nonsense.
But now
I was about to
Anonymous,
defend you. Anonymous.
No, please, let me say. Okay. With this new one, we only met twice. So we met last year, December.
Twice.
Okay, so we've only been intimate twice. And during the period that it's been intimate, it was just that he's from another province. So I usually go to the other province to see him and then come back. So it's kind of a long distance relationship.
If it's another province, it's not cheating.
And you've met twice.
Yes.
And you've had sex
And
twice. Yes, when I
You condomized, ne?
Yes, we do.
So I can imagine
protection.
the two of them in one space.
Which two of them?
The two boyfriends. I can imagine them in one space. It will smell like air freshener after number 2.
Touche, Somizi.
Anonymous, don't listen to so
We'll go for air freshener after number 2.
So Mizi, no. So Mizi is ungovernable. I'd like to apologize on his behalf. Ne, Anonymous? Okay. So, Anonymous, your big question, Gag. Now there's two guys. You've got
Yes.
you've got 10 seconds to ask a question.
Yeah, so my question is, should I leave this guy and continue with the new guy, or just get back with the old one? And because I love him. It's just that his hygiene is just, yeah, it's the only challenge
Okay.
with me, but I'm happy with him.
Okay.
The new guy, I'm not sure about him also.
All right. I honestly think have a final talk with him and be direct. Don't send.
Guy or no guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Naked man.
It's not
The
nice.
guy
The first
number
guy
one. Oh,
and
sorry.
It's not
Yeah.
nice
Yes,
at
it's not
all.
nice.
Naked, very distasteful.
Guy number one.
Very distasteful.
Okay. Guy number one.
Yes. We'll call him Nugu Nugu and then we'll call him Amanigi Nigi.
Even
Amanigi
worse.
Nigi. Okay. Don't leave Nugu Nugu. Serious. Don't. You have to be direct. Don't send signals. Don't give gum. Don't suggest stuff. Tell him, baby, I really love you, and I honestly think you can improve on your hygiene. It's making me uncomfortable. It's making me, lose interest. But I still love you. So please do something.
She might be scared because of the age gap. What's the age gap? You 28 and what's his? How old is he?
Who, guy number one?
Guy
Yeah.
number one. Yeah.
Guy number one is 35.
Hi, Nugal Nganeso.
Imagine.
Wow.
Please have a conversation with him one more time, Anonymous, so that also now your conscience is clear. Which if you leave him when it doesn't change, you've done everything you could.
Yeah. Because you said you love him.
Yeah, and stop with number 2.
And actually, Anonymous, there's nothing more dirtier than a person that's sleeping with 2 people at the same time and none of them know. So
Yeah.
you might be talking about the first one's personal hygiene, but your spiritual hygiene is disgusting. Right here, you're the one that's more disgusting than in this situation, okay?
Yeah,
And
I do understand. And also, really, that makes me feel bad,
Yeah,
Because I'm not doing it because I don't love him. But, sometimes you want to explore, do things, but I can't with him.
Anonymous, spiritual hygiene. Wena ungcolile. And if you, Anonymous, if you are in a relationship, you can't say, I'm in a relationship, but I want to explore. That is dirty.
Okay.
So you need to decide, né? But you can be in relationships where you tell those people from the get-go that, listen, you are not the only one. I'm dating a couple of people. I'm still making my mind up. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, but you have to be honest with people from the get-go, because cheating on people, lying to people, that is more dirtier than anything. Okay?
Okay, I understand.
I don't know if I'm the only one thinking this, but Anonymous, are you using the money you get from guy number 1 to go see guy number 2?
Obvious.
No, the guy number 2, he would book a bus ticket for me. He would book a place for us.
Bus.
Imagine, bus tickets.
Yes, because it's
No.
I can't even say the province, but it's not far.
How many hours?
It's 4 hours.
Yeah. You say Hebron. All right. Anonymous, all the best.
Okay.
Okay, baby. Listen to other advices from South Africa. Ne?
Why is everyone catching strays? Let's just breathe. Too good. So
You're right, ne? Yeah.
It just came out.
Quick heads up for Vodacom users. If your data finishes but you still want to stay informed or catch educational content, you can now watch SABC News and educational channels on SABC Plus without using your data. Free access to trusted news and education. Zero data costs for Vodacom users for a limited time only on SABC Plus. Download SABC Plus today. Taking your calls 086,000 2160 as well as your voice notes on 060-552-7303. I want us to have enough time. Let's take a call. Let's go to line 1. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, thanks to you, Papa.
Okay, my advice is I want to tell that lady, she must tell that guy he must gather and he must make up his mind. And she must also make up her mind. Hey, we are suffering with real stuff here outside. And I'm thirsty, man. Hey,
Wait, hold on.
She must choose.
Hold on. Am I speaking to Cupcake?
Yes.
You said that she must tell the guy to what?
He must gather, he must wash.
Oh, okay. You
In a nice way.
in a nice way, because you're thirsty.
Yes, I'm thirsty, Moss.
Okay. Cupcake, thank you very much from Johannesburg. We appreciate you.
Oh, Cupcake. How do you know Cupcake Kutso? Is this a story for another day? Okay.
No. It's his name.
Okay.
Yeah, it's written on the system.
Yo, hi, guy.
I don't know.
Good morning, Metro listeners and everyone. My advice to Anonymous, you better have a plan with your number one guy, Gunu. The only way that you can do things better, you invite him to your place and then tell him that you've got special night for just shower every day when he arrives. Make sure you bath with him.
Imagine.
Yeah.
You take a bath, almost scrub a reg. And then whenever she thinks coming to you, he will bath. Uzogeza noma kanjani nakacabanga wena.
Hi guys, yo Anonymous, when ngithi yo. Hayi no. And umdala for ukuthi abe noko. Hayi ukuthanda imali akukho right. It can never be me, Shem.
Yeah, but
So mina I agree with Sumizi Magati. Have a final talk naye. Umtshele ukuthi mfethu if awulungisile inkinga lena angazi, but yo ayingeke.
Hi guys,
Hey.
Kimagwai, Masibulu Sut. I have an advice for you, Anonymous. You know, there's no problem that a little conversation can fix. Nothing like you like Manugunugu. So, hey,
Hey, guys.
I would advise you to talk to him. Be direct. Don't talk in parables. No figure of speech. Tell him you like him, but he gives you trouble with this and this. So,
bottom line is, even after that conversation, do you think he's into her enough to wash? Because he will be the one to decide. You can't teach an old dog new tricks.
That's true. Good question, Naked. Good question. Very proud.
Imagine then this guy turns around and says, Mina, I don't want you. Yo, she'll be broken, Shem.
And
Pela,
bank balance.
yeah. There's nothing worse than Uglashwa fail pop. But that's a story for another day.
That's true.
It's 11 o'clock.
He who smells first smells last.
No. Okay, you're right. Let's go to news.
I
No?
did say.
Yeah, no.